Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I know I'm starting off with full glam. Just wanted to try something different, and for today's video, we're gonna be doing a very pumpkin spice look. Obviously, it is this look that I created, and if you like what you see, then just keep on watching. As you can see, I have one eye done, somewhat done, just because I wanted to see what I wanted to do what I wanted to do with this eyeshadow palette and how I wanted to take it. So, and plus it also saves us time. So yeah. So for this tutorial, I am going to be using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. Very fitting. I just applied concealer to my lid. And the first shade I'm going to be using is this one. Next shade I'm going to take is this one, and it's Spice Baby. I basically just blended that in the crease and literally all over the lid. And now I'm going to be taking the purples, and I'm going to be taking these two. So just a little bit of the more purpley one and the one of the burgundy. Just mix them. I'm gonna add a little bit of this one, which is a more orangey tone, and it's called Ginger Spice, just to add a little bit more warmth. I'm gonna add it to both. I actually much prefer how I came out on this eye than this eye. I don't know. Okay, so for the eyes, that's it basically. I wanted to do a very simple matte look because I feel like I've always been doing shimmery looks. So yeah, and I feel like for the fall you can get away with being a little more grungy and like dark and smoky. Love it. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo one, and this is in the shade Medium Peach. I haven't used this concealer in forever. I'm just going to add a little bit. Even that's a lot already. I'd rather build up than mess it up. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of liquid blush, and this is just the Rare Beauty one. This is in the shade Love. For bronzer, I am just taking the this is not BH, this is Beauty Creations and the Murillo's Twin collab. I am actually going to dip into the darker one this time, just because I did, you know, a deeper look on the eyes, so I wanted to show up. In my opinion, for blush, this is my favorite and the most perfect blush shade, especially for fall, and this is my ColourPop one. I cannot get enough of it. It's in the color She's in Bold, and it's my favorite. I love blush. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my Milani bronzer and do a little bit of nose contour. I left the inner corner alone on purpose because I want to try and apply this shade. That's it for the eyes. Now for lips, I have a couple of options. Let's try this one. This is a Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. It was a little more purple than I wanted it to be. I can already tell. I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm just gonna use the Murillo twins. I'm just gonna go with this Dose of Color ones. I don't remember the name. That's it for this look, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. And I mean, this was a super simple, a lot more simple than I thought it was gonna be look. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give me a big ol' thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.